How long has this callus been a problem for you?
Probably 5 years.
Okay. And has it gotten deeper and deeper?
It feels like it is, yes.
Okay. Well, let's see if we can just make sure, first of all, that there's nothing else inside there, like a little foreign body or piece of glass or a piece of animal hair or something like that.
What?
Yeah, that can happen.
Are you kidding me? People can actually get
It's
a
a short-
callus over an animal hair?
Yeah, if it's a short-haired animal,
Oh
where the
my
hair is very
God.
stiff, it just needs to be in just the right position, and if you step on it, it can go right into the skin. This could just be a little clogged sweat gland.
What do you do then if it is?
Well, what we could do is let me just trim it down, and we can, if I don't see anything in there, then we can just put a little acid patch on it like I would do with a wart.
Yeah.
And that can get at this little thick plug of skin a little deeper than I can do with my blade.
I get it. So can people buy acid patches and just kind of work on it on their own?
Well, you can, but you have to be careful because you don't want to go too deep, because if you create a scar, then that's going to be more uncomfortable to walk on than what you started with.
Okay, I won't be doing that.
Yeah, so the problem with those is that people can go too deep. Okay. So I don't see any little sliver of glass or anything in there. Now, if I press right on it, is that better?
Yes, because, yeah,
Okay.
I mean, I could barely walk on it.
So I don't think I'm going to be able to get much deeper without drawing blood. So what I think we should do is let's put the little patch on, and you just leave it on for 48 hours and keep it dry, and that'll get it a little bit deeper.
So will the skin then just peel off?
It'll just, yeah, it'll
So I just peel it off? Okay.
in 48 hours. And then, then maybe we'll have you back in a month and redo that if we have to. And the goal would be, like you had said before, that you came in and had this trimmed like once a month, or once a year. And if that's what we have to do, then that's what we have to do. First, I put on a little patch of moleskin that will hold the acid right where I want it. Then there is a liquid acid, and then a different acid in a paste form that I apply, and then a little bit of cotton to hold it all in, and then an outer bandage to put everything in place.
So after 48 hours, am I taking it off and then just peeling whatever skin will come off?
Hey you guys, it's your girl Nilsa from MTV Floribama Shore, and excuse my morning madness, but I just wanted to be really raw and authentic with you guys. I want to wish everyone at Thinnergy a happy goals day. Let's make today all about reaching your goals. So this is what I do every morning. I get up, I check my emails, I do a little social media, and then I go to the gym and I set out a plan every single day of what goals I want to reach that day. So let's make today all about reaching your goals. And the way I stay fit is just because I have so much motivation. I have a long way to go, but looking back to how far I've came, that's really important to me. So I hope you guys can do the same and reach your goals. Good luck, you guys.
Energy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace, helping you target unwanted belly fat, love handles, and cellulite. Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Thinnergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.